Iqembu lamaZulu lizodlala neKaizer Chiefs ngomhla ka-2 kuJanuwari onyakeni ka-2021. Kanti-ke amaZulu akwazile ukuthi-ke kule sizini asayina abadlali abafana njengoSimphiwe Tshabala, Augustine Mulenga Luyo Memela, kanye-ke naye-ke uPhakamani Mahlambi ovela laphana-ke kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns. Kanti-ke uLehlohonolo Majoro ongazange-ke abonakala kule mdlalo ogcina, kuyabonakala ukuthi-ke emdlalweni we-Kaizer Chiefs maningi amathuba ukuthi-ke singahle simbone. Kanti-ke amaZulu akwazile kule sizini ukuthi-ke asayine umqeqeshi omusha uBenni McCarthy, naye-ke uSiyabonga Nomvethe njenge-assistant coach yalo kweqembu leli-ke lamaZulu. Kanti-ke bona-ke beza kulo mdlalo emva kokuthi-ke bahlula iqembu le-Chippa United ngo-3-1. Nakhu-ke ayiwakusho umphathi wamaZulu ngaphambilini.
And we made it very clear when he came on board that everyone has got to prove himself and herself. There's no one who is viewed with suspicion simply because we got him from the previous administration. One thing that we are very clear about is that we've got ambition, and in our pursuit of our ambition, there will be no prisoners taken. If you stand in the way, you're a player, you're underperforming, there's no space for you in Lesotho. If you're an administrator, you're not rising up to the challenge, there's no space for you. If you're a member of a technical team, whether you're a coach or assistant, or you are supposed to be responsible for the conditioning and the toning of the players, and the work is not, the product and the outcomes are not visible, you are expendable.